Hello student, in last video I have teach you how you can display data from MySQL on this JFrame application, and also I have teach you how you can insert data from JFrame to MySQL and display also. But in this case, if you want to update, how you can update, you might think like that, okay? But in this video I usually show you only how you can get this data to this field again, then you are possible to update. How once you right click not right click, once you click here in this field, it means it fill this field automatic. Okay, so in this video we'll do that. Okay, how you can do that? Now you just let me close this application and let's go back to the design and right click on this JTable. Okay, now go to the event, click on this event and go to the mouse. You'll find this is mouse and mouse click. Once you click this mouse click, you'll find this JTable here. For me, it already click, it's shown that JTable, but this is JTable mouse click. Then for this you need to write a code here. So how you can write a code? You just need to write this integer I equal, we need to use this JTable 1. Okay, now I just need to write this JTable 1 dot now get row. Okay, now get what I mean get row. Okay, wait, get selected row. You can select anyone from get selected row. Now close. After that, now we need to write this table model, and we put a object name table model equal. Now we need to call again our JTable. After that we need to write this JTable 1 dot get model. All right, we finish all this. Now we finish all this, but what we need to do, we need to set this row to this field. It means that once we click the data here, it should fill this. So how we can do that? We need to do the same, that is called set text, but we need to add our object also, set text. Okay, now you need to remember your variable of your text field, but for me I don't want to remember. I just copy from the insert form. I just go back to my insert form. You'll find here this is my ID and all this. Okay, no, this clear button is all. I already put a clear button. I just need to copy this one and let's go back to the JTable action event. Okay, now here I just need to paste here. But now in case of clear, instead of clear, I'll remove this double quote. I'll call this model. My object is model dot get value. Now let's suppose we want to get this ID. Okay, but ID we know this index 0, then we need to put is 0. Now we need to put this I, it means I already declared this variable I here. Then my first column is 0. All right, now same thing, we need just to copy this one, get value and paste it here. Okay, I just paste here this gender. I don't need this gender, leave it. Now for this also I just need to copy all this. All right, I just need to copy this. All right, now okay, I just need one row that is for ID. I just write ID dot set text. Okay, set text, then just copy this. All right, now from where this ID came, I have not yet explained this one. Once you go to the design, I have this small box here. This small box, it means that I'll got an ID, then it's possible to update, because without this it's not possible to update. Now so I just declare one field here for ID. Once I click the this row here, then it should fill here automatic. Now let's see. Now let's change this. This is my ID is 0 and my first name is 1. All right, now this last name is 2, and I'll remove this I'll remove this gender, and I do have here 3 4 and this 5 6 and 7. Okay, I usually have this, but we need to convert this to string. Okay, how we convert this to string is very simple. We just need to write this before just to string, because I forgot to copy again this. So we need to convert this to string, then it will not show any error here. Okay, I just copy again this one and put it here, put it here, put it here. I'm very lazy to type, so I just copy paste always. All right, now you will find here is no error here. Okay, now let's run this program. How this happen? Okay, let's try to run again. Okay, now let's try to run. How you can, once I click this, then you'll see it fill this automatic. See, this one also fill here. So when I update here, you'll find here there is no email. So instead of this it get fill this one. Okay, now okay, why this fill instead of email? Because we do mistake something for this gender, because we leave agenda here, so it means that 0 1 2, it means that this is 4, we leave it 3. Okay, now here 5, now 5 6, now 7 and 8. Okay, let me run again, then we'll got a correct output. All right. Okay, let me click on this field. You'll see this is phone number and this is email here, but I didn't write a correct email. Okay, now we can update this correct email by putting this @gmail.com and let's click update. Then data update successful. Okay, now once I click, it filled here, so no email. I just update this one, the @gmail.com. Click update, data update successful. Okay, now it's not possible to update. Now you'll see it's not change anything, because there is something wrong with the update code, and I not even shown you how you can update. So as of now, for this video, I just teach you how you can get this data to this field, but for this update, I have to teach you how you can update this data. Is very simple. When we go back to our design, okay, when I go back to our design, you'll find this update button is not visible, because I put this color is white. When I double click this, it take to the update button. So the code is already here. Okay, the code is already here, but it's not update. Why is not update? Is depend from the ID is not working. So let me explain how you can update this one. To get this field, you just need to copy from your insertion, because when we go to our insert and register insert code, you'll find all the same. You just need to remove this, or you can, if you want to cut this also, you can get this one, this selected action command. If you don't want also fine, then you can edit. You just need to copy and paste in your update button. Let's go to the update button. Okay, this is for mouse click, and let's see where is my update. Oh, here. All right, now this ID, you see this is my ID here, and this is ID get text. All right, now there are some mistake. Once I update, it should update automatic. Now let's check what is a mistake here. So coordinate. Okay, so let's remove this coordinate, maybe it will work. Okay, let me try this one and let me run again. Okay, now let me run again this. Okay, let me run again. Let me try. Yeah, it already update now. Okay, it's already update now. So see, the only thing that I didn't put that correct syntax. All right, now like this only how you can update. For getting this, I already teach you step by step. For update also, it's very simple. You just need to write this update command, calling this variable we already declared, like I shown you on a previous video how you can display, and write this code update patient set f name, like you have learned on JSP also, and write this code l name, phone number, email and all. Then you can write a message. If it's J option, show message dialog box, data update successfully. For this I'm not going to teach you, it will be same only inside this button update. You can put this try catch, copy and paste from your register button, and get this field. You just need to copy only, you already write at the time you register or at the time you insert a data. Paste it here and do some change what you need to change, and write this update syntax. Alright, so like this only you can update. Now for delete also, what you can do for delete, okay, now you just need to, once you click this let's suppose, let me run again for your delete. Okay, once you run, when I click here and once I delete, it possible to delete with the help of this ID. Okay, I just need to cut this one text field. So once I click delete, data delete successfully. It's not show here, it's not display here. Why? Because it's already update, it's already not show here. Why like that happen? Okay, now the main thing here you need to remember, we have a function show data. Let's suppose once we finish to update, it should show our data. Okay, this is delete. After delete also it should show our data. Now I just need to paste this show data here, and once it update also it should show the data. I just paste in here. Now how you can delete update like this only. Now if you are update, delete and insert, now it will show you perfect with the help of this show data. Okay, now let me try to do some change with this title. Okay, let me try this title, and once I update, you'll find data update successfully, and this also change automatic. Because who do this? Because the show record is do that. Before it's not shown like that. Alright, now I hope this video will help you. If you have any problem, you can contact me personally. Thank you.